Hello, I'm Carly Youthy, Multimedia Specialist for the Sioux Falls School District. Thank you for joining us for this District News Minute. At the Sioux Falls School Board's annual meeting last week, a new president and vice president were named, and a new face officially joined the board. In a unanimous vote, current board vice president Cynthia Mickelson took over as president, and Carly Ryder, who reclaimed her seat for a third term, was named vice president. Newest board member Nan Baker took her oath of office and officially took her seat on the board for her very first term. The Sioux Falls School Board is now made up of Cynthia Mickelson, Carly Ryder, Kate Parker, Todd Tolke, and Nan Baker. For more information on Sioux Falls School Board members, we encourage you to visit our website and click on the School Board tab. In addition to voting on new roles at their last meeting, the board also approved a motion to move forward with the opt-out recommendation of the 2019 Finance Action Network, often referred to as FAN. At the direction of the board during the FY20 budget hearing and tentative approval on April 8, 2019, the FAN was called together and met on April 23, 2019. The purpose of the meeting was to study the $7.5 million opt-out expiring in 2022 and make a recommendation to the board about whether to continue it, and if so, at what funding level. FAN concluded the opt-out is a critical component to the district's budget and not replacing it would be catastrophic for the Sioux Falls School District. Based on the input from FAN the board received during a June 5, 2019 Financing Opt-out Strategies work session, administration recommended opting out in 2019 for $1.5 million for 10 years. The board unanimously approved the recommendation. The opt-out, which will have no bearing on property taxes in 2020, will go through 2029. For more information on the opt-out, you can go back and watch a replay of the June 5, 2019 work session on our YouTube channel. And finally, you're invited to join the Sioux Falls School District and the Sioux Falls Development Foundation for the groundbreaking of our newest middle school, Ben Rifle. The groundbreaking ceremony will take place on Monday, July 22nd at 4:30 p.m. at the location of the new school. For those unfamiliar with where that location is at, it's on the northwest corner of 41st Street and Faith Avenue, east of Veterans Parkway. This groundbreaking will be unlike any other thanks to a few very special guests. Two granddaughters of Ben Rifle, in addition to a few of his nieces and nephews, will be traveling from across the country to join us for this commemorative ceremony. The district has also reached out to the Rosebud Sioux Tribe, where Senator Rifle was an enrolled member, to invite them as well. We look forward to learning more about the man for whom the school will be named after, and we hope to see you there. You can learn more about new initiatives, classroom projects, view fine arts performances and sporting events, and get important information for parents and students by checking out the Sioux Falls School District's cable channel KLearn, Your Sioux Falls Classroom Connection, on Mid-Continent Channels 20 and 595, or by visiting the website at www.sf.k12.sd.us. Join us each week for more news and information about your Sioux Falls schools. With this District News Minute, I'm Carly Youthy. Thanks for joining us.